What's up? Today we're gonna be doing which one's my cup? This one. We're gonna be doing a burping challenge.
Mine.
Wait. My cousin Marcos and my brother Elias.
What's up?
Okay.
What's up?
Let me go first. Your turn, Elias. It's Elias' turn. You don't drink a lot. Show your face when you do it. There you go.
Then decided.
Oh God.
Stop! It's my turn. To waste it. I had to waste my burp.
Stop drinking your water. It's for the thing. It's for the video. This is my turn.
Is it mine?
Your turn. Drink some. Now, look at the camera. Let me do one more. And by the way, we're doing this video for my iPhone. We're doing it for my iPhone.
Yeah.
It says Mom's iPhone. Let's all do a burp at the same time. Get in. Let's get in, guys. Get down. Let's all do a burp at the same time. 1, 2,
2, 3.
Oh, he didn't do it. Get a drink. You drunk all your... Okay, just me and Marcus then. Marcus, you go.
I did a big
Well,
one.
bye, guys. Check out my channel. Subscribe.